Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr, Kerr Financial Group. Today's Friday, August 15, 2025. First of all, point out that it's the 80th anniversary of the Japanese surrender, effectively ending World War II. And that happened on August 15th. And I'm not sure if it's technically VJ Day today or not, but it is the anniversary of their announcement of an unconditional surrender and just a huge celebration in the U.S. I mean, you think about going through the years of World War II. Before that, the Great Depression, saw a huge relief. And so I just want to point out that's the 80th anniversary of the Japanese surrender. Now, on to the financial markets. Yesterday, I think was a pretty important day with the PPI. It was indicating, more inflation than was expected in the producer price index. So that triggered a bunch of reactions. Number one, it now calls into a question about an interest rate cut in September. Even though higher inflation on a 1-month indicator, the markets still have a 94% probability of an interest rate cut in September. But now there's a little bit more question. The next big event is next week when Jerome Powell has the speech. I think it's Friday morning scheduled at the Jackson Hole, Wyoming confab for these financial people. And Powell speaks. In the last 10, 15 years, this has been a big deal in late August. So when he speaks, we'll see what he says, if there's any indication concerning the decision in September and his guidance and like that. So another extension of the PPI and some interesting things from, I think, the market dynamics from yesterday. There was some weakness. There was an initial sell-off on the PPI, a recovery, and then a sideways trade into the close yesterday. We've got some weakness this morning, and there is the fact is that we've got a 30% rally since April. Nothing goes straight up, so we're a little extended. It doesn't mean we have to go down right away, or maybe we just kind of we can go further. But I think the market looks a little bit tired, and maybe we trade sideways, or maybe we correct a little bit. And maybe this PPI thing is the trigger. So, I don't know if if we've got a lot of risk for a big 10% sell-off. It could happen, but I don't know if it's necessarily right away going to happen. But there are the market's extended. There's a lot of complacency here, and a lot of confidence that AI and data centers and all this stuff are going to power the economy to a new, leg higher and a new expansion. So that'll be it for today. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the weather, and I'll be back on Monday. Please like, subscribe, and hit us up for any questions or suggestions. Take care. Goodbye.